I'm going to show you how to use this self-balance pH meter tester. Included in this kit is 2 sets of calibration pH buffer powder. What this does is help you recalibrate your unit if it gets out of whack, a plastic container to help keep your unit safe, and then an instruction manual as well as a chart to show you the different pH levels of various liquids. One thing I want to point out is the distilled water and seawater between 7 and 8. I'm going to show you that based on what we're going to find with my chlorine pool. So with the meter, you just take the protection end off. Then I'm going to turn it on. And in case you can't tell very well, it does have a backlight on it. So I'm going to hold it down here in the water. And it's holding about 7.40, 7.39, hovering a little bit back and forth. I think we're holding right about there. I'll take it off and turn it off. And come back over here to our chart again. If you notice, our pool water was 7.4, right there between distilled water and seawater. So really easy to use, can use in a variety of liquids and determine what the pH levels are. This is the self-balance pH meter tester.